Hi friends, welcome back. Today I will show you one of my newsletter. This is about real estate, and I will show you how I accept advertisement opportunity for this newsletter. And this is one of the way that I'm earning money from this newsletter. I have 7 newsletters up to now. This is only one. I'll show you another few today, and I got some advertisement opportunity for those newsletters also. First, you should click on this monetization and click on this ad tab. Then you will see that I have got 3 advertisement opportunity. When it's come to my calendar, you can see I'm sending this newsletter on every Tuesday and on every Friday. You can see almost all Tuesdays and almost all Fridays I'm sending my newsletter. This is very important because you should have some consistency to get sponsorships. Of course, the quality of newsletter is also important, and there are some few other factors, and I will discuss those things in my future videos. Okay, now I'm going to select, let's see August calendar also. You can see I have a advertisement to be sent on 2nd of August. So when it's come to July, I can accept one advertisement opportunity to be sent on 30th of July. And for August, I will send on next available Tuesday and Friday. Okay, first I will select this newsletter here, right? Click on that, and okay, then I will select the 30th of July. Then I will select the most suitable ad interface to be placed on my newsletter. You can see there are several options, but I like to add advertisement with images or with human face. For this one, I'm going to select this one, so you can preview that also like this, right? Okay, I like that, so I'm going to click on this select one. Then I'm going to accept, review and accept here, right like that, and click on accept. Okay, now when we go to calendar, you can see I have advertisement opportunity to be sent on 30th of July. Then I will select next one here, right? This should be sent on this Tuesday, August, right? Month of August, Tuesday. Then I will select the advertisement interface. I like this one, okay? This graph, right, which contain a graph. It increases the click rate when we put advertisement interface like this one, right? I will select that one. Then I will click on review and accept, then click the accept again. Then I have another one. I'm going to place it on August 9th of Friday, right? Okay, I'm going to click on this view detail tab. Then I'm going to select this Friday, right? Then I'm going to select the interface, this one for that, okay? Then I'm going to click preview and accept, click on accept. Okay, now you can see only today I got 3 advertisement opportunity for this single newsletter. This is the beauty of this, right? I will send this newsletter on every Tuesday and every Friday, and I will earn money. I will show you another few newsletters, right? I have some advertisement opportunities for those also. Wait, okay, this one I click on monetization tab and click on add. You can see the famous newsletter, Rundown AI newsletter, want to sponsor my newsletter, right? This is very interesting, right? I am going to send this newsletter on every Wednesday and every Saturday. So I have a scheduled advertisement to be sent on 3rd of Saturday. So I'm going to select 31st of July to send this newsletter, right? I click on view and details, then I will select this one, this interface, select that one, and I'm going to select 31st of Wednesday. Then I click on review and accept, click on accept like that. Then I will show you some other newsletters. This is about cryptocurrency, okay? This newsletter is about cryptocurrency. I will show you how much I have earned this month, right? Earning this month, you can see $284, right? This is very simple newsletter, right? I'm only showing some charts, and I will show them some simple analysis, right? I will show you all those things in my future videos. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. This newsletter I'm sending on every Sunday. Then I will show you another newsletter, right? This one, right? Click on monetization tab and ads, right? You can see I have earned $476 up to now from this newsletter. Okay, this newsletter I'm sending on every Monday. You can see. Okay, this is how I earn money. I will show you. This is a fairly new newsletter. Okay, I have earned up to now $2,000, right? $2,135 from this single newsletter. I have 7 newsletters like this. If you want to know the secret of newsletter business, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. I will show you step by step how to create $1 million newsletter, and within few months, maybe 1 or 2 years, I hope to create a newsletter which can generate $1 million per year. I will start that newsletter with you in future videos, and I will show you how to create a AI model to write our newsletter, and I will show you how to run Facebook ads to get subscribers to our newsletter, and I will show you how to promote our affiliate products, and I will show you how to create an e-commerce site, and I will show you how to put that e-commerce site on our newsletter and earn money from that also. There is several ways to monetize our newsletter, right? This advertisement opportunity is only one way, right? You can create your own product, you can promote others product and earn some affiliate income, and you can earn from Boost on Beehive platform. Then you can find sponsors outside Beehive and put their links and put the advertisement on your newsletter also. So this is the easiest method to earn money online. So if you have not created a Beehive account, it is free to start. There is a link in the description. Click that link and create a Beehive account. Then you will get a free trial. So if you got any value from this video, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. So until next time, bye bye.